Hi guys and welcome back. I just want to give you a brief update on the market on Bitcoin and Ether. And currently what I'm seeing on Ether is that we just jumped quite heavily, and actually I like the fact that we tried to fill that gap here, but I don't like the fact that we jumped over it, right? So you see that we have certain gaps, right? We have gap here. This I wanted to be filled, but we just jumped over it, and now we have a gap here, which could be a bearish sign. And I really expect this one to come down at some point. I don't know if it's going to be now or later, but I don't think this is going to hold forever. And also looking at Ether BDC, you see that on this big trend line, which we had, right, where we had support several times, we just hit that trend line and took it as a resistance. So most probably we're gonna drop from here, or just bounce a little, whatever. But this is a hard zone to pass by. I don't expect it to be strong, like the Ether move. I don't expect it to go like to $10,000 whatever right now. Rather, I see Bitcoin being strong for a few more days. And why do I think that Bitcoin is strong at the moment is because we have this gap. So also here you see that we have this gap here, right, which most often is going to be filled at some point. And yeah, right now we didn't fill it. And looking at Bitcoin, I think this is going to go up to those levels on the BTC chart, which could mean that altcoins and Ether are going to suffer a bit in regards of BTC value, right? Not sure if they are going to drop against USD, because BTC is going up against USD. Depends on how far the other altcoins they are going to drop compared to BTC. But yeah, anyway, I mean, I'm quite certain about the fact that we are going to move to those levels here, that Ether is going to bounce from that zone. And let's have a look also at the dominance chart if we can see something. Yeah, here as well. So again, we have this heavy trend line here, right? And we just took it as resistance again. So lots of signs that Ether is going to have problems, and maybe also other altcoins. I think I saw something on Solana as well. Yeah, like there is another trend line which was support and which we are going to hit soon. Also, I think there was something on XRP, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe against BTC. Nope. But if we look at the big picture and we just redraw that trend line, because this was resistance line as well, right? So we could actually see that this is also in a zone where we don't expect to just have a run up, and rather to move down again. So yeah, actually a few altcoins that are not looking too good. I mean, they look okay against US dollar, but expecting that Ether is going to have trouble and BTC is going to have a run up. Yeah, I don't expect altcoins to do very wild stuff here, so I would be cautious in the market right now. Don't invest too much. The market is still very volatile, and one of those moves doesn't mean that we are going to stay with that trend for the next whatever few months. It could come down as fast as it went up right now. So be cautious. Set your stop losses smartly, and yeah, don't lose too much money on some FOMO action here. So thanks for watching. If you like it, like and subscribe and share with your friends, and see you in the next one.